Chapter 8 Conditional Statement in Python. Learning Outcomes. At the end of this chapter, students will be able to know the importance of conditional statements in Python, comprehend the working of if-else and if-elif-else statements. Warm up. Given below are some different arithmetic operators. Write a description about them and their examples. Teachers note: revise the concept of operator with students that they are special symbols which operate and variable and constant to manipulate data. Hello friends, let us learn some conditional statement in Python programming. Most companies today create a secure method of granting access to sensitive information in order to safeguard the safety of people using the internet. A password is needed to access this information on the website. User ID and password are the first thing you type when logging into your email account. You won't be able to access your account if you can recall your user ID but you are unsure of your password or if you input the wrong password. Let's examine how Python programming produces these conditional statements. Let me answer. Have you ever put a wrong password to log in? What message did you get? Conditional statement. The statements of a program are carried out sequentially, one after the other. Control statement can be used to reorder the execution of the statement, which is something we would want to do occasionally. Let me answer. Tell some more if-then statement you use in daily life. Nothing more than a few checks or constraints make up conditional statements. We frequently use conditional statement in our everyday speech. Humans are able to analyze circumstances and make choices based on what they see, know or believe to be true or incorrect. For example, if it is storm outside, then we will have to stay inside. Or if it is dark, then we have to switch the headlights of our car. In programming, conditional statement handle cause and effect. If this, then that. If statement. The simple if statement tests a condition and if it is true, perform some steps, otherwise it does nothing. Syntax. If condition, statements. Program 1. Create a program to check whether the PIN number entered by a user is correct or not. Assume the correct PIN is 2534. Program 2. Create a program to check if A is greater than B. At first, the if statement seems to be perfectly working. But what if the PIN number entered by the user is incorrect? Or what if A is not greater than B? In that case, no error message will be displayed to the user. This may lead to a lot of confusion. The if-else statements in Python can easily handle such situations. Do you know, Python was a hobby project by Guido Wen to keep him occupied in the week around Christmas. If-else statements. This is similar to the if statements. In this case, when the condition tests to false, the statement after the else are executed. Let us modify our above example. Syntax. If condition, statement, else statement. This will compare the value of A and B. Since B is greater than A, it will skip the statement after the if statement and go to the statement after else and display B is greater than A. If elif else. In a real world scenario, we would need to solve a number of issues with various conditions. For instance, you might wish to develop a program that can rate students in accordance with the grade they receive. The if-elif else statement is used in Python to handle multiple conditions. In this statement, if the first condition after if is false, then it will check the condition after elif. Syntax. If condition 1, statements, elif condition 2, statement, else, statements. Remember it. The Zen of Python is a poem written by Tim Peters to highlight the philosophies of Python. Program 1. X is equal to -9. If x is greater than 0, print x is a positive number. Elif x is smaller than 0, print x is a negative number. Since the first condition is false, the second condition will be tested. the number is less than 0. So the message after 11 will be displayed. Few solved example. 1. Write a program in Python to multiply two numbers. Solution. Print, enter any two number. Number 1 is equal to input. Number 2 is equal to input. CH is equal to input, enter operator star power. If CH is equal to star power, res is equal to int number 1 star power int number 2. Print number 1 star power number 2 is equal to res. 2. Create a program to enter a number and check whether it's a positive or negative number. Solution. Number is equal to int input, enter the first number. If number is smaller than 0, print number is a positive number. Else, print number is a negative number. Kids IQ. Richa has written the following program. Marks is equal to 23. If marks is smaller than 33, print congratulations, you cleared the test. Else, print oops, better luck next time. Find the errors in our code. Let's recall. Control statement can be used to reorder the execution of the statements. In programming, conditional statements handle cause and effect. If this, then that. The simple if statement tests a condition. If it is true, perform some step, otherwise it does nothing. The if else is used when we need to work with multiple conditions. Conditional statements are checks or constraints. Upskill your intelligence. A. Fill in the blanks. 1. Dash and dash are the first thing you type when logging into your email account. Answer. User ID and password. 2. Dash statements can be used to reorder the execution of the statement. Answer. Control. 3. In programming, conditional statement handle dash and dash. Answer. Cause and effect. 4. The simple dash test a condition. If it is true, then perform some step. Answer. If statements. 5. In dash statement, the statement after else are executed. Answer. If. B. Write T for true statements and F for false statements. 1. After evaluation, the if statement returns 0 to 1. Answer. False. 2. If elif else used to work with multiple conditions. Answer. False. 3. In the if statement, if a condition tests false, it does nothing. Answer. True. 4. In a program, the statements are executed one by one in a sequential manner. Answer. True. 5. Conditional statements are constraint. Answer. True. C. Answer the following question. 1. Write the syntax of if-else statement. Answer. Syntax of if-else statement. If condition, statements, else, statements. 2. Explain the working of the if statement. Answer. Working of the if statement. 1. The simple if statement tests a condition, and if it is true, perform some steps, otherwise it does nothing. 2. If the condition is true, it performs the result, but if it is not true, no error message will be displayed to the user. 3. Write the syntax of if-else if statements. 3. Syntax if condition 1, statements, elif condition 2, statement, else, statements. 4. Write a program to find the smallest of three numbers. Input data 252, 175, 320. Expected output. The first number is the smallest among them. Answer. Ask students to do it by themselves. 5. In case the if condition evaluates to false, then which block statement will work? Answer. The second block is an else block. This block contains the statement which will be executed if the value of the test expression becomes false. Critical thinking. Samiksha wants to create a program that would help him display grades a student has scored. These grades are based on the student's marks in a midterm examination. The grade scale from A to E. Suggest Samiksha a conditional construct to calculate the grades. Answer. Ask students to do it by themselves. Teamwork. Work in pairs. Find the error in the given statement and rewrite the correct statement. 1. A is equal to 43. B is equal to 234. If and print must start from here. If B is less than A, print B is greater than A. Answer. Ask students to do it by themselves.